Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to search for people on Gmail. Whether you're trying to track down old conversations or locate a specific contact quickly, this simple process will help you find exactly who you're looking for without scrolling endlessly through your inbox. First, open your web browser and head over to Google by typing www.google.com in the address bar. Once you're there, type Gmail into the search bar and click on the first official link that appears. Alternatively, you can go directly to mail.google.com to save a step. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're in your Gmail inbox, look at the top of the page where you'll see the search mail bar. This is your main tool for finding specific emails and people. Click directly in that search bar and then type either the name or email address of the person you want to find. This could be a colleague, friend, or anyone you've communicated with through Gmail. After typing, press enter or click the magnifying glass icon to start the search. Gmail will now display all emails from or to that person in your search results. You can scroll through these to find the specific conversation or message you're looking for. This basic search works great for most situations, but if you need to narrow things down even further, there's more you can do. Click on the down arrow located at the right side of the search bar. This opens the Show Search Options menu, which gives you powerful filtering tools. Here you can specify whether you want emails from a specific sender to a particular recipient containing certain keywords within a specific date range, or even emails that have attachments. These filters are incredibly useful when you're searching for something specific among many results. Once you've set your filters, click the search button to see your refined results. Now, if you're looking to search your contacts directly rather than your email history, click on the Google Apps icon at the top right of the screen. It looks like a grid of 9 dots. From the menu that appears, select Contacts, or you can navigate directly to contacts.google.com. In the Contacts page, use the search bar at the top to find people by typing their name or email address. This will show you their full contact information, which you can view or edit as needed. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to efficiently search for people in Gmail using both email searches and the Contacts feature. Thanks for watching.